Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn punctuation marks name in English. Period or full stop. Period or full stop. Question mark. Question mark. Exclamation mark. Exclamation mark. Comma. Comma. Semicolon. Semicolon. Colon. Colon. Parenthesis. Parenthesis. Apostrophe. Apostrophe. Brackets. Square brackets. Braces. Braces. Hyphen. Hyphen. Quotation marks. Quotation marks. Single quotation marks. Single quotation marks. Ellipses. Ellipses. Dash. Dash. Slash. Slash. Hash. Hashtag. At sign. At sign. Asterisk. Asterisk. Ampersand. Ampersand. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe.